Hey, I'm the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. Yes, that's a lot of name, but stick with me because I've got a lot to say about myself. The good stuff, the great stuff, and yes, even my flaws. Because apparently some of you had thoughts. A lot of thoughts. We'll get to that. Let's start with the obvious. I pack 1,400 peak watts. That's more power than my older brother, the BL610. Don't tell him I said that.
My 6 total crushing blades will turn a full cup of ice into fluffy, snow-like perfection in about 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Resort-quality frozen drinks. At home.
3 auto IQ presets. Smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream. 1 button. I handle the pulsing, the pausing, the whole performance. You just press go. My pitcher holds 72 ounces, big enough for the whole family. Or a very good Saturday night. I don't judge what you blend. That's between you and your blender. Cleanup. My pitcher and blades are dishwasher safe. Because nobody should be hand scrubbing a blender at 7 a.m. I respect your mornings. Okay, here's where I get real. Some of you left reviews. You had thoughts. I read them. Every single one. And look, you're not wrong about everything. Am I loud? Yes, I am loud. Some of you said I sound like a jet engine. I prefer powerfully expressive. But yes, maybe don't run me at 6 a.m. next to a sleeping baby. The plastic pitcher scratches. I know, I'm not made of glass. I'm lightweight, affordable, and under $100. You can't have everything. Pick your battles. And if you're planning to blend hot soup or grind nut butter, I'll stop you right there. That's not my zone. I'm a cold drinks specialist. Know your strengths. Based on real customer reviews, I'm giving myself an 8 out of 10. Solid, reliable, outstanding value. Especially if frozen drinks and smoothies are your thing. Look, we've all been there. You just want something that works without spending a fortune or reading a 50-page manual. That shouldn't be too much to ask. You've probably bought something before that promised the world and delivered a chunky, lukewarm disappointment. And honestly, that stings. I've heard the reviews. I know. That's exactly why I exist. 1,400 watts, auto IQ on autopilot, and a pitcher big enough for the whole crew. At around $100, you really don't need to overthink it. If this helped, hit that like button. It genuinely helps. Share it with someone who deserves a proper blender. Subscribe so you never miss the next honest review. And the link? Right there in the description. Go on. You know you want to.